What's up, guys? Welcome back to Christina, Goode, and Friends.
What are you thinking about doing? Yeah, you won't be able to get out that window, darling.
Fuck off that bitch. Janet. Fuck off, rude.
Do you love me?
Fuck off. What a fat bastard.
I know I'm a fat bastard.
Twat.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're frustrated. I'm sorry. You can fly around the room.
Fuck off, Nick. Oh. Janet. Hello, my angel.
Hello, Bubs.
Shut up, you twat. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up your ass. Shut up your ass. So fuck. You're bloody rude.
You're bloody rude, you little cheeky monkey.
What? Yeah. You're hungry.
No.
Get up, freak. Back off. Fuck off. Fuck. Fuck. Cunty. Cunty.
Ah bon. Est-ce que vous voudrez boire?
Twat.
He was trying to speak French.
Cunt. Bollocks. Shut the fuck up. Fuck off.
You're gonna kill Steve.
Oh dear, you're shocking.
Twat. Cunt, right? Okay.
Come on, you can say other things apart from swear words. Stop cursing and speaking French.
Fuck off, you twat.
What's he doing?
Shut up, you fat bastard. Yeah.
Stop it, you daft bugger.
Fuck off, Nick.
Don't be rude.
Careful. 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 Get up. Blood bastard. Careful.
Careful what? Why do you keep saying careful all the time?
Cunty, 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 twat. Cunt. Oh dear.
Your language is absolutely disgusting.
It is.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Get up, mate.
Yes, of course I love you.
Fuck off, you cunt.
That's charming.
Shut up, you cunt. God, no. You twat. Come on, you fucker. Don't, you cunt. Fuck off, you cunt. What's the thing?
Oh,
You're not funny.
I'm not trying to be funny.
I got you, cunt.
What did you say?
Fat bitch.
Don't.
Twat.
Don't.
Careful, alright? Get off there.
Pardon?
Got rid of fat bitch.
You're a fat bitch.
Get up, you bastard. Come here. Come here, fat bastard.
Oh, don't be disgusting.
Oh, cunt. Let's go that way.
Oh, you're funny. Under the water, under the sea, how many big fat titties can you see? Hey?
Get off, you cunt. Right up here. Right up here. Shut up, cunt.
Why can't I be nice to you?
You're a lesbian.
No, I'm not. Nor is Molly.
You're a lesbian.
No, are you a lesbian?
You're a lesbian.
No, are you a lesbian?
Cunt wallet.
Shit, cut bollocks.
Wallet. Fat wallet. Oh dear.
I've never heard that before. Oh dear, my fat bollocks.
Fuck off. Oh, fucker. Shut up, you cunt, alright?
Any messages for YouTube? For your loyal, loving friends?
What twat? Hello, angel.
Oh my god. Parents, please supervise your children if they decide to watch Ruby the Swearing Parrot. I can turn that off now. I got plenty of light right now. Oh my... Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. I'm sorry I had to put a notice up, but god damn. Even though Ruby, this the African Grey, swears a lot, she seems pretty funny. Well, in Steve Chapman's eyes. I don't know about the rest of you guys. Fat buttocks. Oh dear. Ooh. Oh my god. If there's a video that you would like for me to react to, please submit down in the comments down below. Be sure to include the title of the video, who it's by, what the channel name is, or you can just submit the video link to me. Subscribe to Christina, Goode and Friends. Links to my other channels will be in the description down below. You should go check those out. Who knows, they might be the channel just for you. If you would like to be featured on Christina, Goode and Friends, just follow the card that I'm posting right up there. Follow me on Facebook at Christina.Goode.5891. It's It's really cool to interact with you guys. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Stay cool and be awesome.